Yes, coming to third one, maximum height. So maximum height. The vertical component of velocity is zero. A body is thrown into vertically. So then a body thrown into vertically, it reaches the vertical component of final velocity becomes zero. So final velocity Vy is equal to becomes to zero. That is the maximum height. Maximum height. So here a body thrown into vertically upward, it velocity increases and the final velocity is zero. That is called maximum height. Then that is equal to here velocity is equal to vertical height is equal to vertical velocity v is equal to u sine theta, and acceleration due to gravity a is equal to minus c, and final velocity Vy is equal to 0. So here we can use the formula V square minus V square is equal to 2as, and here S is equal to H maximum. So we can substitute these values. So here final velocity 0, initial velocity u sine theta into whole square, that is equal to 2 into a minus g into H maximum. So here minus u square sine square theta is equal to minus 2g h maximum. So here minus minus cancel, then we can write the h maximum. Maximum height is equal to u square sine square theta by 2g. U square sine square theta by 2g. So this is the maximum height value. So maximum height, a body thrown into vertically upward, it reaches the maximum height. So when it reaches the maximum height, the final velocity going to be 0. That is the maximum height. So that is u is equal to u sin theta. Vertically direction, that is u is equal to u sin theta. A is equal to against the gravitational force, A is equal to minus g, and final velocity v by 0, and s is equal to maximum height. Therefore we can take the kinematic equation v square minus v square is equal to as. 0 is equal to u square means u sin theta whole square, that is equal to u into a minus g. Here s is equal to maximum height. Therefore u square sin square theta is equal to minus 2g h maximum, minus minus cancel. So మనకు కావాల్సింది maximum height h maximum is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. So this is the maximum height. And next one, horizontal range. Horizontal range. So here horizontal range is equal to horizontal component into time of flight. Horizontal velocity into time of flight. So horizontal velocity is equal to u cos theta into time of flight 2u sin theta by g. 2u sin theta by g. So here we can write u into u, that is equal to u square 2 into sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta by g. That is equal to, here you know the one of the formula 2 sin theta cos theta, that is sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta. Therefore r is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. That is the range formula. So maximum height formula u square sin square theta by 2g. Range is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. So these two are very very important. So ఈ రెండు కలిపి మనకి థర్డ్ వన్ అండి. Maximum height, find the maximum height on the horizontal line. Maximum height means body projected vertically. It reaches the final velocity going to be 0, becomes to 0. That is the maximum height. That is u square sine square theta by 2z. And the range means horizontal velocity into time of flight. What is the formula of time of flight? 2u sine theta by g. So that is the horizontal velocity u cos theta. Then u into u square 2 sin theta cos theta by g. Then formula 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. So that is sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. So that is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. Take a screenshot. Next question. చూడండి ఒక ప్రాబ్లం అండి. Show that the maximum height reaches by the projectile launched by the angle 45 degrees is 1/4 of its range. సో 1/4 of its range లో ఉన్నట్టు మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. సొల్యూషన్ చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ maximum height ఫార్ములా u square sin square theta sin 2 theta by u square sin square theta by 2g. The range r is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. So first angle theta is equal to 45 degrees. So we can write that r is equal to u square sin 2 into 45 degrees by g. That is equal to u square sin 45 into 2 sin 90. What is the value of sin 90? 1. Sin 91 into u square into 1 by g. That is equal to u square by g. So range value u square by g. Next one, maximum height లో value substitute. H is equal to u square sin square 45 degrees by 2g. So what is the value of sin 45 degrees? Sin 45 1 by root 2. So here 1 by root 2 whole square by 2g, that is equal to u square into 1 by 2 by 2g, that equal to u square by 2 into 2 4g. Therefore we can write that maximum height is equal to u square by g into 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into u square by g. Therefore, what is the value of u square by g? Range. So in place we can write the u square by g r by 4. Therefore, maximum height is equal to range by 4. So that is the answer for 1/4 of the range. Maximum height is the 1/4 of the range. So first one, taking the maximum height u square sin square theta by 2g, range u square sin 2 theta by g. Okay, substitute the theta value 45 degrees. Here sin 90 value 1. And here sin 45 degrees 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square, root 2 square cancel. 1 by 2. 2 into 2, 4. U square by 4g. It can be written 1 by 4 of u square by g. Then u square by g is r. Then r by 4. H is equal to r by 4. So hence 1/4 of its range. Maximum height is equal to 1/4 of its range. Hence this one is proved. So take a screenshot.